Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Cherry Gardens to Barbican. So we are in Cherry Gardens now, and we're going to drive through Cherry Gardens, then through Russell Heights, and then into the Barbican area. Alright, so we're now going to turn right onto Melwood Avenue. And this part of Jamaica is what they often refer to as Uptown Jamaica. These neighborhoods, Cherry Gardens, Norbrook, Jacksonville, those kind of areas. Now you have a lot of construction sites, so you see that car on the left. They basically drive around in the day, and it's like a mobile kitchen, and they stop at the construction sites and sell food to the workmen. And there are quite a few work sites in the area, so that's actually a very nice business. Alright, so if we turn left here, that would take us on to Upper Carmel Avenue, and that would take us over. It could take us back into Cherry Gardens or to another part of Cherry Gardens, but it also leads us to Jacksonville. Okay, so we're now on Upper Russell Heights Road. We're still in the Cherry Gardens area. It's just that this road runs all the way from Russell Heights to Cherry Gardens. On the left is the Cherry Gardens Great House. Straight ahead is like apartments or townhouses being built, but they have been under construction for years. Actually, it looks like the work has stopped. There's so much grass growing around it. There are no workmen over there, so that looks like that has stopped. Okay, if we turn right here, that would take us into Salem. So this is actually the boundary with Cherry Gardens and Russell Heights. So we're now in Russell Heights. And as you can see, they have sleeping policemen in the road. That's what we call these bumps in Jamaica. Some places call them speed bumps. But this is to prevent persons from speeding through the neighborhood. I must say they have quite a few, and they're so close to each other, and those bumps were put in during COVID, which was what, probably 2 years, and you notice the paint on it has already started to fade. So I don't know if they need a special paint. I don't know what it is, but okay, look at this road now. There are no white lines in the road, and I'm sure the white lines were there once, and they've just faded. We were trying to go around the garbage truck, but it didn't work out. So for those of you who aren't living in Jamaica, that's how they collect the garbage in Jamaica. The trucks just drive around. That's actually the garbage truck they use in Jamaica. And some places, I think that's what they do it in most places in Jamaica. I don't think they use the big metal things where the truck just drives up and empties it. They have them, but that's more for commercial business places. For the residential areas, they do it like how the truck, like where you saw the persons on the back of the truck driving around. Alright, so we're now heading towards Barbican. And you notice no white lines on the road. If there's anybody familiar with the construction industry that can explain to us why it is, okay, now they have the white line down here. Why is it so hard to put these white lines, and now it's faded? Why is it so hard to put these white lines on the road? And why do they fade so quickly? Is it that they're using the wrong paint? I don't know. Alright, we're now turning left onto Barbican Road. Barbican Road was recently renovated. And you notice it has the white line, but at this section the white line has faded. This road isn't 2-3 years old yet. And up here you have the white line again. I don't know, it's a serious problem that the majority of the roads in Jamaica has. Okay, if we turn left here, we'd go on to Birdsucker Lane, and that would take us back up to Graham Heights and then Cherry Gardens. Now straight ahead is this is where we are in the Barbican area, but look at how those cars are parked. This Barbican Road, they have literally parked in the road, all because they want to go to that cash pot store there. This is the kind of indiscipline that you see too often on the roads in Jamaica. This is the main road, and look at the cars. That black car wouldn't even go up a little more. These two cars are just parked in the road. Alright, so this is the Barbican Square now. If we turn left here, we go into the Jacks Hill area. And Barbican Road is going to take us all the way up to the Ligonier area. Oh, sometimes the parking, you saw those cars parked on the road in Barbican. I mean, I don't know if the police still give tickets for those things, because it happens so often. Almost every day you drive by that spot especially, there are cars parked there. I know there was a time when you could get a ticket, but I don't know if they still give tickets for those things. And just to give you an example of how bad things are, if a police car was to drive by, the people wouldn't move. Literally, they would stay, they would park there the same way, even with a police car driving by. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.